Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best folding exercise bikes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is Reviewic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike. Our personal favorite is the Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike from Reviewic. I first saw this bike recommended in a roundup review by Best Reviews list, and what particularly stood out was Reviewic's strength as top bike brands when it comes to exercise bikes. This bike continues Reviewic's reign of dominance in the indoor exercise bike market, manages to maintain a tiny footprint despite its feature-packed, affordable design. It features a high-torque 3-piece crank system and double-drive transmission system designed to provide the rider with the smoothest operation possible. The adjustable tension is magnetic and offers 8 different tension options which provide a challenging workout regardless of your fitness level. This Reviewic bike also features an oversized seat, large display, and hand pulse sensors to keep you comfortable and dialed into your workout. The weight limit for this bike is 300 pounds. This bike is built to last, and a 1-year limited warranty is included, which adds some peace of mind. Features: pulse monitor, large LCD, oversized, heavily cushioned seat, 3-piece high-torque crank system. What we like: heavy-duty frame can hold up to 300 pounds weight, 8-level magnetic resistance for different workout options for user, 3-piece crank system for smooth pedaling, belt drive system and quiet workout sessions, large and cushioned seat. What we don't like: no preset programs. Number 2, our second best pick is Lanos Folding Exercise Bike with 10-level adjustable magnetic resistance. This compact exercise bike offers 10 levels of magnetic tension, providing the freedom to choose the intensity of the workout that you prefer. There is a tension knob that will allow you to challenge yourself and see how far you can go in your workout. The versatility of this lightweight exercise bike is another compelling reason to choose this over other models. You can use it as an upright, recumbent, or semi-stationary bike. Regardless of which you choose, you can be confident that its performance will be top-notch. For your comfort, it comes with a cushioned seat and backrest. The latter will provide the support that you need to avoid straining your back, even when working out for an extended period. The steel construction of the exercise bike is also impressive. While the material is heavy, it is a good thing that it is sturdy. Even after years, you can expect the best from this bike. It shows the information you need to know about your workout, such as distance in miles, speed, and calories burned. It also shows your heart rate based on what is monitored by the hand sensors installed in the handlebar grip. Lastly, the console also comes with a smartphone or tablet holder so that you can watch videos and stay entertained while working out. Pros: comfortable seat, sturdy, has a quiet flywheel. Cons: can be wobbly. Number 3, our third best pick is Reviewic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. When it comes to folding recumbent portable exercise bike options, the 400XL from Reviewic may be the best choice you could make. Thanks to its intelligent and feature-rich design, these features work in concert to provide one of the smoothest exercise experiences for riders of all skill and fitness levels. Those seeking comfort are sure to appreciate the heavily padded seat and backrest of the 400XL. Unlike most bikes, the large seat on this model is nearly as comfortable as a high-end desk chair. The display is large and easy to read. It offers readouts for time, speed, calories burned, speed, and heart rate. Features: ultra smooth and quiet operation, accurate pulse display, comfortable seat and backrest, high torque crank system. What we like: ideal option for limited spaces, sturdy and solid while working out, fluid pedaling motion for smooth ride, quiet working out experience, highly comfortable bike with padded seat. What we don't like: some parts are cheap. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike with adjustable resistance for cardio workout. This bike features one of the smallest footprints of any bike on the market, making it a strong choice for anyone with only a small space for workouts. This Marcy folding exercise bike has a 2 LCD computer which provides the rider with some different variables including speed and calories burned, distance, and time. Its heavy-duty and durable design is where this bike truly shines and hence makes it the best folding exercise bike for a heavy person. It's constructed from high-grade 14-gauge steel frame that's powder-coated with a scratch-resistant finish. The pedals are counterweighted and offer the feel of a high-end bike at a fraction of the cost. £37. Padded seat. 5 adjustable seat levels. 33-36. 250-pound capacity. Magnetic resistance. 2 LCD display. Features: tiny size, easy to adjust resistance, adjustable counterweighted pedals. What we like: slightly larger than other models. Great for every body size. Quiet and smooth drive system while working out. Great visibility of large LCD monitor. Easy to assemble and adjust the height of the seat. What we don't like: difficult to use for tall user. No pulse sensors on the bike. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Reviewic ExaWork 1000 fully adjustable desk folding exercise bike with pulse. This Reviewic bike is exceptional because it is built not only for working out but also for working. One thing that makes it unique compared to the other products reviewed is that it comes with a built-in desk. This will provide space for your laptop, which will allow you to work while you bike. Even when you are not working out, you can use this as a standing desk. More than its versatility, the bike is also praised by many because of its air-soft seat. The latter has been exclusively developed by the manufacturer to provide the highest level of comfort possible. It is larger than most seats, which allows it to accommodate even larger users. It is made of innovative materials that will allow air to breathe in the fabric, to make it even more comfortable. There is also a padded backrest. There is an LCD computer, but there are many who were unhappy with its size. It can be a struggle seeing the display, especially when you are pedaling. Nonetheless, the addition of the latter is a good thing since it makes it effortless to monitor your workouts. Another thing that we love in this product is the 3-piece high-torque cranking system. This allows your pedaling motion to be smooth and consistent. As a result, you can also expect that this exercise bike won't make loud noise. Need to move the bike around? There should be no problem. Because of its folding design, it is compact. It has wheels that will make it effortless to maneuver the exercise bike and bring it anywhere at home. Pros: great for working, easy to assemble, smooth pedaling action. Cons: small display. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.